Welcome to the Voice Broadcast tutorial video. Voice broadcast plays an important part in non-marketing and informational communication. It allows you to cater to individuals who may prefer receiving phone calls over other modes of communication. Please note, this is for non-solicitation purposes only. Before moving on, please be aware that if you're sending a voice message to subscribers that opted in using your online sign-up page, they must have selected to receive both text and voice messages. It's also important to note that voice broadcast costs 3 text credits per minute or per message. Now let's get started. Once you've logged into your account, you can click on the voice broadcast button on the home page or hover over the messages menu and click here. The first step will be to enter a brief description for the message you'll be sending. It will help you identify it for future reference. Next, you will select the phone number you want to appear on your contact's caller ID when they receive your voice message. This is important if your number has been saved in your contact's address book. If you select a phone number that they are familiar with, they may screen your voice message. Click on Add or Remove Caller ID from the drop-down box, and a new window will appear here. Enter the phone number you want to have appear on your recipient's phones and click on Call this number. You will see an alert message letting you know it will cost 3 text credits to verify this number. Click OK to continue. You will then receive an automated call on the phone number you just entered. Please note, caller IDs will only work with phone numbers that can be answered. Phone numbers attached to auto attendants are not valid for this feature due to the verification process. Here, you'll see a 6-digit code that will enter using your phone keypad when prompted during the automated call. The system will tell you if your phone number was successfully verified. You'll come back to the page you're originally on and select the number you added. Now that this number is verified, you can use it for future voice messages. Now you'll select the gender for the automated operator's prompts. The automated voice will introduce your voice message, instruct contacts on how to opt out. You can see this in more detail on the next page. Then, you will select when you'd like this message to be sent. For this video, we will leave it as the default, Send Now. We'll also select Yes here to tell the system to retry if the first attempt wasn't successful because of a missed call or busy signal. In the Report Manager section, you can choose to create a combined report of this voice message and other features. For this demo, we will not use it. After that, we'll click Compose Message to continue to the next step. This section tells you the order of the parts of a voice message. The gray bubbles are the parts spoken by the automated operator, as we mentioned earlier. On the previous page, if you remember, we selected Male for the operator gender section. That means the text in the gray bubbles will be spoken in a male voice. Look at the blue bubbles, which make up the actual voice message you want to deliver to your contacts. The introductory message is a short message informing your recipients about who you are and which organization you're calling from. There are 4 ways of setting up your introductory message and message body. You can either select a previously uploaded voice file, upload a new one, convert typed text into speech with text-to-speech, or record and upload on the spot. The 4th option requires a microphone and audio recorder. For this video, we will explain how to record and upload a new file. When you select this option, you will see a voice recorder. A default device may already be selected for you. Click Record and then Allow and Close. Then click Record to begin recording your message. When you're done, click Stop. The introductory message is played before the message body and is allotted 20 seconds of recording time. We recommend keeping this message as brief as possible. When you are finished, you can play your message back, record again, or upload to the system. You will follow the exact same steps for the message body, or you can select a previously recorded file or upload a new one. After you have your messages ready, click Select Recipients. Here, you'll choose which distributions list you want to send this voice message to. You can also select or create a smart filter to narrow down your recipients. Please remember, whether they are imported or join your distribution list via online sign-up pages, your contacts must be opted in for voice messages in order to receive them. This is because regulations for voice message are strictly enforced to ensure that recipients only get the messages they want. Then click Preview and Send. You will be able to preview your message and see a summary of credits for the voice broadcast you are about to send. Review the summary, and if everything looks good, click Send. And that's it for our voice broadcast tutorial video. Thanks for watching.